It's almost Thanksgiving, and I think every plumber knows that come Thanksgiving, come Christmas Day, there's always an emergency. What is that called? Murphy's Law. If it can go wrong, it will, right? Or maybe Murphy's Law has to do with gravity. I can't remember. But the sewer line starts at the front of the building, goes straight under. It goes kind of 45s, then it goes straight under all of this. And this is where we have a root intrusion in this area, and then it comes through, and there's a clean out right around the corner here. Right there. And then there's a chimney right there that's literally 8 feet deep, and then it connects to the 6-inch clay, and it connects into the sewer right here somewhere. About a year ago I snaked this out and haven't had any issues since, but I've been meaning to do this, so I figure now's the time to do it, because I'm going to be in Temecula for Thanksgiving and I'm not coming up here. So okay, so this goes straight down, and then there's a combi right there. Everybody's using the freaking fixtures. Go down, and then and look. I'm telling you, dude, literally, that would have been clogging on Thanksgiving. That's about a week away from that just completely closing the pipe off. So, all right, let me get the chains in there, and we'll chain that out and be able to enjoy Thanksgiving. I got the chains on there, and now looks like they're not quite there. Just need to push it a little further. Or actually, they're in front of it. Yeah, it's past it. And why are you doing that now? You freaking thing, bro. There. Okay, well, chains are stuck. And I'm gonna take the camera out. I can't get them, dude. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I got them. I just needed to pull the camera out. It just wasn't, I guess, enough room. They're coming now. Right. See the ball of roots on there? That's why I was getting hung up. Look at those. Dang. All right. Make sure there's no more. There you go. Those are thick. That's probably not all of them. I'm sure some fell off as I was pulling it back, but I was wrong. I could have sworn the issue was right here. The issue is actually somewhere right here under the garages, which is kind of interesting considering, yeah, the issue is somewhere under the garage. And the reason I know that is because I pushed the camera just a little bit further past that root intrusion, and it was the chimney. So the issue is somewhere under the building. Because if it was right here, we'd be at 30, 40 feet max. So my memory didn't serve me properly. But those are some thicky thicks, man. Wow. All right, the newest habit. This is Snake Oil Plus. Just trying to prolong the life of, let's go over here out of the, we have more room. Just trying to prolong the life of everything I got. Trying to take care of stuff, you know? And this kind of all happened, well, I've always been the type of guy to take care of my stuff, but I did a job with these guys the other day and they lost my tape measure and a screwdriver, and yeah, it's like $20, and the job was a pretty big job, so it really wasn't that big of a deal. But I was like, dang, dude, that's $20 that I now have to spend. So I really am making a effort to really keep my stuff lasting for a long time. But this is Snake Oil Plus by General. It's good stuff. That's it. Now I can enjoy Thanksgiving. And and yes, you can get roots this far away from trees. Anytime there's a sewer pipe underground, it is always a possibility that you can get roots that grow into it. That's where it starts. And it's all above ground. It's all above ground all the way to about right here. And then it 45s down just a little bit, and then it shoots across. But all right, that's it.